Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this name, place, animal, thing filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to use this filter, just press and hold the camera button, okay, and you will get a letter here. Okay, with this letter you have to tell a name, Rajan, place, Romania, animal, rhino, and thing, rocket. Okay, so okay, this and you will get a letter here. To get this effect, visit the creator profile. Irina is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. She's having some awesome filter. So check in our filter gallery and this is the filter. Name, place, animal, thing. Tap on it. Okay, and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.